Hi, welcome to the Mad Scientist Kitchen, reinventing the foodie in you. Let's make Sukhi Bhaji, a no onion, no garlic Goan recipe. These are your ingredients. I am also adding a link in the description box. Heat oil in a wok. Add mustard and let them splutter. Next add cumin seeds and let them splutter too. Some asafoetida, curry leaves and the boiled chopped potatoes. Add some turmeric powder, water, mix well. Add some salt and water. Green chilies chopped, grated ginger and cumin seed powder. Cover the pan and let it come to a boil. Mash most of the potatoes. Let it boil under cover for 5 minutes. Finally, add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix well. Garnish with coriander leaves. And your Sukhi Bhaji is ready for serving. Sukhi Bhaji tastes good with pav, chapati, puris, lachha. Try it. For quick, simple and easy recipes, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.